Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Capcut or your Android emulator. Sign in to the same account you used on mobile so cloud projects appear. Once signed in, make sure Capcut has storage permissions. That enables local export and imports. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the Capcut or emulator shared folders. You'll need these paths for media transfer. This step gets you straight into project access, instead of wasting time creating new files, so you can pull existing edits now. Now you import and locate media. If your project is in Capcut Cloud, open the Cloud tab and sync the project. That brings your edits to PC. If files are local on your phone, connect by USB or use Drive to transfer the /Capcut/media folders into the emulator or Windows Capcut Media Library. Once done, refresh Capcut's media browser so newly copied clips show up. This process prevents missing assets and keeps timelines intact when you open the project. You finish by opening the synced project, giving it a final scrub, and choosing export with the correct resolution and codec. Export settings matter for playback and size. After export, use File Explorer to go to the Capcut export or emulator shared folder and confirm the MP4 or MOV is present. If clips are offline, make sure to relink missing media or force a cloud resync. That usually restores assets. If export fails, free up disk space and retry. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.